Okay, let's continue with the second question, and we are here. Our second question says that look at the question class tree file. Make a copy of this file as answer class tree. Okay, let's see. Fix the compile problems of this program. There are only simple, most of them one characters problems in this program. A necessary character is missing or need to be replaced. Question class tree, and I need to save this one as question answer class tree.py. And here, okay, I cannot run this one. It should give me immediately invalid syntax. Okay, first of all, this is a function, therefore this should be def, and it is giving me again an invalid syntax. Here I think I should give an indentation 1 or 0. Maybe I can start from 0, or since it is saying here indentation -1, I think I can start with, for example, 4 or something like that. Let's start with 0. Okay, and it says syntax error expected. Where it is? Line 4. Line 4. Yeah, I need to write this one here. Okay, and here again it gives me expected indentation block. If I run it again, it says again the same expected indented block. Since we have this double column, we need to indent always and run it. Okay, it is giving value. I think we should be able to give this here also value, but even without that one, it is running. You can put or run it with its simple changes. Fix this one, fix this double column, fix this indentation error, and does anything say in our run? Yeah, that's it.